Boolean values. Boolean values. Most of programming languages, including C, C++, Java, and Python, provide the Boolean type, which means can be either set to false or true. Note: in programming languages, we use 1 as true value and 0 as false value. Let's see how. First, we go to brackets. So, in here is just a comment. Alright, to use Boolean, we have to create a variable called a and assign it by true. Just an example. You can create any variable names that you want. Make sure the T of true is capital letter, and create another variable called b as example and assign it by false if is capital also. After that, print variable a and print variable b. Then save the file and try on terminal. As we learn, type Python 3, drag and drop the file to terminal and press enter. So now you can see the output here, true and false. There is another thing we have to know, which is not true or not false. So, to use not, create any variable name such as a equal not true. T is capital also. In this case, not true means false. Also, create a variable called b as example and do the same thing, not false, which means true. Alright, so print a and print b and try them on terminal. Don't forget to save the file before trying on terminal. As you can see here, the result became opposite. Very good. Thanks for watching.